Okay, we live. We leave. Okay, let's get YouTube chat working. Okay, that should be it. Just pin my game in the chat. There we go. Is my mic working? Yes, it is. And everything else should be good. Fine. Let's see what else. Hey, Orangey Ping, thanks for popping by. When the game releases, are you gonna buy the game? You mean my own game? Or what game? Other game? Okay. Need to open Photoshop for a second, so just gonna hide my screen there. Buy my own game? Why would I buy my own game? I already have the game. Steam gives it to the developers when they create the game on Steam. Okay. So I just need here to make an image. I need this to be black. And now to make a white shape. Something that looks like water. Something like water. Does that look like water enough? A water puddle. Yes, should be good. And I would just fill it in. And there we go. Maybe I should make the edges softer. I'm not sure. I'll just make a copy of this and keep it for later in case it doesn't look right. I'll just blur it. Like that. Long jump puddle. Okay. Can use that. It's gonna be all puddle. Make a material out of it. This will be a decal. Where was decal again? There we go. Make it translucent. Plug in the wrong one. Constant 4. Plug it in here, make it like a watercolor. Oh man, I can't see it at all. Yeah. No, it isn't. It's not sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Would be nice to be sponsored to make some money. Hey, there we go, a puddle. Works, I guess. At least like this, when it spawns on like an edge, it won't be visible, it won't fall off in a bad way. To be like this. Much better than just floating in the fucking air. Yeah, pudding. It's a puddle. What a puddle. Mint flavored. Nah, it's blue, it's not green. I wouldn't call that mint. Got me a coffee. Of course, always need a coffee. Now, how do I make this look a bit more like water is the question. I can definitely make the roughness stronger. And maybe that helps a bit. No, it won't be moddable because it's a multiplayer game. Of course, if it's just mods on your side, like changing the character model and effects and stuff like that, that's fine, yes. But otherwise, no. Won't be moddable. Forgot if run roughness 100%, it makes it less shiny or more shiny. But it doesn't seem like it really does anything, honestly. I think I'm gonna have to somehow make an effect myself somehow. We need more pudding, yeah. More pudding is required. I'm trying to set an effect. I do hope this is seamless. And again, I don't know why it's not showing up here. Weird. I need to keep checking here now. Damn, I don't see anything. I kinda see something there, I guess, but not really. Might be too big. I had no idea. There's kinda something there, I guess. Kinda. Let's pan it. Okay, it's panning. Now we'll get one more. And we'll do the same thing. But on the opposite direction instead. And we'll multiply them. Or add, I don't know. We'll try with multiply first. Oh god, I can barely see them. Maybe multiply was not the right choice here. There's something going on, but damn hard to see. Let me lower the color. Still hard to see as fuck. Sorry for the language. Scala parameter. So hard to see. My game is pretty simple, but it will still require you at least to have a graphics card that runs DirectX 11. So I'll just see what's the lowest for that, and that's how I'll set the minimum. Or I'll just copy paste it from similar games, I guess. It's something as well. plus it's at 0. Yes, of course I can. As long as your PC runs the game, it runs it. Jeez, so hard to see it. It is there, but it's damn hard to see, honestly. My eyes hurt. This might have, let's see, might have something to do with my post-processing material. Or not. Still not easy to see. Oh, I know. Okay, now it's easier to see. Kind of. Yeah, kind of. It's just ding, 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 ding. Well, we can add a bit more variation with a bit of something like this, and just a bit more variation. Probably make it way smaller as well. So, why is it not shiny? It's supposed to be shiny. It's there, but damn hard to see. And once I turn this on as well, even more so. Well, this is good to have, I guess, but damn hard to see. I'm hoping so, honestly. I do hope it comes before GTA 6, but we'll see how my progress goes, I guess. Got some games coming out next month, and might eat my time, who knows? Yeah, it's just me, myself, and I, unfortunately. Yeah. Just reading something online at the moment, see if I can make my water look a bit nicer. Oh no, what happened? It's not really looking the way I wanted it, honestly. I was hoping it'd be a bit more shiny and stuff. What if I make it a lot more blurry though? Ooh, too much. Let's see how that looks. In a way, a bit more like water, I guess. I'll publish a game, they want my freaking face, my ID, and 1k Roblox, and you know what is the worst? Either you need 500 engaged players, the players will spend some Roblox or pay 100k Roblox to review it. If you don't get engagement or pay, you'll pay the 16 plus no matter. Oh fuck. That sucks. That's how it looks when I actually go to it. Kinda looks like water, I guess, but not sure honestly. It's not too bad, it's something. Could be better though, but my skills don't be skilling. I think this is good. Though I also kind of wanted it to be like, I don't know, like towards the center, to become way darker towards the center. And of course I sucked at this, so oops, deleted the whole thing. Just for fun, I want to see what this will look like. It is rather obvious that it looks odd. It looks more like a glow than anything, honestly. Okay. Never mind, let's put back the original. I think that was good enough. Well, that's basically the meaning of this water. Instead of banana peels, it's just water that you sleep on. Yeah. At least I can like set their sizes a bit just to make some distinction in shapes. You want it to be piss? It's not piss, it's just water. I get you, I get you. From the distance, you can't even see the details, honestly. Kinda see something. How can I make this darker? Cheap contrast. We're kind of going somewhere here. Wait, that didn't do anything. Team Fortress 2 got an update. After all these years, how long has it been since the last one? Okay, I think this might be a bit too little. I can kind of see sometimes something. Okay, they're definitely moving too fast though. At least you can see that it's water. Sometimes I just record like this to make like a quick documentation. Yeah, looks like water, I guess. Congrats. That's very nice. Okay, so we got the water bubble. We got the water bubble. Oh, crap, wrong thing. Where is it? This one. We got the water bubble. We got the water puddle. Now I just need to make a water splash effect, and that's about it. Okay, let's see. Fountain. Can use the fountain, yeah. Need to switch this to burst. Do it only once. Oh, wait, actually, instead of doing this, I can just use my other one. I already made something similar like this before. Just need to remember what it is. So the hammer. The hammer. Nope, this is the boomerang. Here it is. Water splash. Why can't I see anything here? What the hell? So we don't need this. Here we make way lesser. It's like 10, I guess. We'll need to change the color. Can go just with yep, looks like water. How do I get closer to this? I'm not really sure how the hell to control this. I can barely see what I'm looking at. Yeah. I don't even know where my effect is anymore. Let's close it, open it again. Are you telling me that's in cone? Velocity. And we want up. Whoa. Okay, and it falls straight down, sure. Well, that doesn't do anything. Oh no. Okay, it kind of worked for a bit. Does that look like what the droplets or what? Let's add some more. Okay, nice water droplets. Would like to make this circular. Where's the circular version? Okay, there we go. Round. Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's make it loop for now so I can just record the quick video. I wonder if I can add something like this on this one too. Do I have emissive? I do. I wonder what happens if I plug this in emissive. Oh, oh no! Oh, that don't look good. That don't look okay. It's not that to be. Can I copy from this one? Copy this whole section. See what happens. Oh, it's something. Okay, this we can remove, I think. Oh no, it's the wrong thing. Don't save. Oh, that was close. Yeah. Just wanna reduce them a bit though. Yeah. It's decent. It makes it like there's some sparkles from the waves and stuff, so that's nice, I guess. Oh no, I use the same ones here. Maybe we can get something looking a bit more decent. Yeah, kinda looks a bit more in sync. Good progress, good progress. Okay, now time to merge them into an actor that does something. EP the trap. Add in the decal. To move it into the wall, make sure it looks fine. That's exactly why. That doesn't look fine at all. I think it needs to be rotated. This. It's upside down here. So, yeah, there we go. Nice. Sphere static mesh. This will be the root. Then we also need the particles. There we go. And I need to make this only once again. Okay. So might have to make these separate like this, but I'm not sure yet. We'll just go and try to see if we can make it work regardless. Don't auto activate, and this needs to be hidden by default. This needs to have simulate physics. The actor needs to replicate movement. Hey, what happened? My cat is attacking me. Cat is sad. So first of all, I want to see if this this replicates properly. So I'm gonna spawn 2 players here. Push this around. Make sure that it replicates correctly. Them I can see. Yeah, looks like it's replicating correctly. That's great. That's a mirror. All right. And this will need to have the water effect. There we go. Also, I saw another water just now. What the hell is that? Damn, I can't see it at all. Is it doing anything? Oh, it is. Okay. Don't like it though. What are test particles? What the hell? Okay. This will start as 0, and then on event begin play of this actor spawning, we'll have a timeline. We start from start. We'll make it a float, which goes 0, 0 to 2, 1. And we'll be using this to change the size of the sphere. It's gonna be okay, that worked. Nice. Though I don't know how it's gonna be over network. Yeah, as I thought. It glitches at the start until it says the size properly. I want this to go in different directions. But for now, let's just do up, see if up works. I play standalone because it's easier to see if it really works or not. I think it did go up. Each time you add one more zero, it's yep, okay. It did go up. Whee! Okay, nice. So that works. Let's see. Okay, so I think it needs to be minus as well. for it to really go in a random direction. Okay. Not sure why it keeps going this way. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty nice. It's fully random. Let's put a couple of them. Okay, all of them went in different directions. Still need to make these jump a lot higher. I need to give these guys a bit more power as well. Ooh, okay. Okay, and then on simulate heat events, on heat, when it hits something, we want to hide the ball. Disable simulate physics. And collision. No collision. So something like this. And we want to move the decal. We want to move the decal where the heat was. Right, we have here a better heat location, yeah. Set world location. And what is this? Make set visibility. Let's see first if that works. Oh, yeah, that was pretty neat. I think they're hitting each other also though. But hey, that kind of works. Set to simulate for collision enable is compatible. Well, yeah, I turned it off, so. It's the guys that got hit initially already, okay. They are just too close to each other. What the? And then we'll also do the Niagara's effect at location. So we'll also set the location of this here. And we'll do activate. And to make sure they don't collide with each other. We'll only want to do what's the floor? The floor is like hell. If you want to tell me what the floor is, why would you? Wall static, okay. So we only want to affect wall static. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, I love it. Bloop. I want to increase the Niagara effect a bit. Sorry. Ah. Need to lower the size of this decal. Why did not show me the bomb box? Oh no. What's happening? I set it to visible though. Oh, it's because okay. Because this is set to 0. I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's way too big of a decal. Let's make this smaller. On this, not that. This is. Let's see if it's still working right. Let's not do so tiny, as it has issues. Okay, yeah, that's good. I like it. And it also looks like the character is slightly underwater. But of course, this is in single player. Multiplayer is gonna be very different. Wait, it just works? What the hell? Okay. Is that accurate though? Or is it completely random? Oops. Oh wait, I was simulating earlier, my bad. But it does seem to be accurate, location wise. Just that it needs to be replicated and everything. Okay, now to replicate this. Looks like it's accurate for everybody. One more time. It is rather laggy because it's changing size. Yeah, we'll see how it is once I link it to an ability. It's the hydrant. So here. What does it do in times? I think I used it somewhere else here. Yeah, do N. Not sure why it doesn't show up though. Okay. Let's see how it is when we actually do this. Whew. We'll see what happens. Okay, I need to move back because I got no abilities here. And let's put the hydrant. Okay, let's see what happens. Where is this one gonna spawn? Okay. Oh, the do end times is more. Okay, never mind. I had the wrong idea about do end times. This is only how many times it allows something to happen.
I need to order food. Really, I have to use a timer here again. Not a fan of timers. Just looking for food. There they come, the bots again. I wish people would find me as easy as the bots do. if only.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I want to spawn this a few times, so I'll probably using the same logic as right here. Space is a bit limited. Let me move some things aside. Okay, most of the logic will be on the my cable. Most of the logic will be on the other stuff, so PC fan. What is this? Oh, got confused. Imagine getting confused with your own code so often. Sucks. Then we use the same logic as here to make sure that this stops. And then we reset it. Okay. That should work 5 times. Let's see. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, it worked. It worked. So we should also call one instant one. Like this. This way, as soon as the player presses, one will spawn. Ting, 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 ting. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love it. What if you are running though? Oh, there was an error. I think it's because I punched the guy earlier. Okay, let's see running. Okay. Um. Kinda want one to just drop at our feet though. And I want them to be different sizes too. This will need to just be done here. And also the point where this spawns. Wait, what was I using to attract? This, okay. I can just get the location of this, I guess. Yeah. Oh no. Close that. Jesus Christ, I have so many variables. Oof. Okay, so instead of this, get this. So that the balls of water spawn right above our head. It's very random. I'm sorry, just it looks nice and I really like it. Never done something like this before. Okay. Yeah, no problem. I was kind of AFK. Was looking for food and managing some emails on the side just now, so I wasn't really here either, to be fair. Made some good progress though. Look at that. It spawns the waters, and it's looking good. Yeah. Oh man, that's nice. Yeah, it looks decent. It's running on server, right? Yep. I need to make one more custom event to play the animation. What is this? Call for the 7 moment of this hit player. This is the ice, I guess. Yeah, the ice cubes. Next time we'll make the ice cube. For now though, this needs to be multicast. We'll do a what is it called? Play montage. And it would be, we'll use the magnet. I mean, I'm streaming it anyway. Anybody can remake, right? Anybody can make their own version of any game, to be fair. It's not the same as stealing a book or whatever. Okay, my animation is not playing. Why? No, didn't plug the mesh. Okay, yeah. Beep, boop, boop, boop. What did that guy fly? Oof. That's a big oof. Okay, though, like I said, I would like one to spawn right at the character's feet. Or not. I mean, I don't know, honestly. We'll leave you like that for now. I think it looks quite decent. Okay, now we made all that. And now we also need to make an overlapping event, which when players get inside, it triggers them to fall and stuff like that.
Guess something like that. Way smaller. Way smaller. Still smaller. We don't want people to be sleeping randomly. I think this is pretty okay, decent. Okay. Okay, I'll begin overlap. Cast to the biscuit guy. Neat. And we want to do the sleep effect. So this is the one. Am I calling the reduce restore friction anywhere? Wait, why do I need this? What's this? Oh, I need it. Okay, I got it. So I can just call this. This works straight on the player itself. Yeah. We just have to make it so it doesn't affect the owning player as well. It seems to work. The characters are sliding. Funny. Wait, why did it spawn there though? Weird. Oh no, the ball is hidden, so it probably went flying there. Okay. And also, I want this to trigger the thing that makes the characters fall, but I don't remember how to do that anymore without a hit. Like without the hit effect. without the heat effect. I'm not really sure how I do that anymore. Jesus, what the hell is this anymore? That's different kind of impulses based on the weapons. Ugh. Let's see here in the heat logic. RPC ragdoll. I think it's better if I just do the heat, but it's a pickle for me. See what happens when I use this. Don't really remember how I set it up anymore, that's the thing. Oh, we fell, but it's somewhat broken. Did I make anything with slip? Slide. Okay, no. What the trap? Let's see, what did I write in here? Play sound. Looks like I took this down big time. You know, I got some things here. We see trigger trap. Ragdoll. Looks like I've got something going on here already. Does this still work?
Oh god, what happened? I put it right where I spawn, I guess. This kinda seems to work already. Kind of. I think this is the explosive trap. Oh. So. You can copy this code and run it on the other one. This is still somehow broken. I have this weird jitter. Or at least I'm able to stand back up again. Abilities work, okay. Not entirely. Making the slip and slide, it's a bit complicated because it's a very complex thing. Cannot just do ragdoll because there's so many things that need to be turned on and off in here. There's something we can do here actually. We can set an owner. We can call the owner. The owner's code at the location and use that to do stuff. So in here, have to set the owner. We are already setting it. Then from here we'll call heat. What was it called again? RPC heat enemy trace. Location will be the location of display this actor. Let's see if that works. This one here. Right now it doesn't have an owner though, so it's not gonna work. It needs to be tested with 2 players. Okay. Kinda works, kinda not. Hello. Okay, coming, thank you. Okay, my food delivery came, so I'll be right back.
got food. I've got food. Okay, I think I'll actually end the stream and just go and eat my food in peace. This will probably take some debugging, so don't wanna stream that. If anybody's here, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.